Welcome friends, and let's see how we can move a Sprit. So create a new project, open a new project. By default, you will have a Sprit that is a cat. So you need to go to the event block and drag and drop when the green flag clicked. So whenever this green flag clicked, we can move a cat. So make a drag and drop, and after this we need to move to the motion block. From the motion block, drag and drop the move block and attach this move block to when flag click. Now when I click on it, you can see the Sprit is moving. You can also change the location of a Sprit by changing the XY coordinate. Suppose I want to move Sprit for the 100 step. So I change the number to 100, and when I click on it, the Sprit is moving to 100 step. See. Now suppose I want to move this Sprit whenever I press the right arrow from your keyboard. So for this, select the second block, that is when the particular key is pressed. By default, the space is selected. I'm pressing space this time. Now what you can do, let me change the default location of my Sprit, and let me change when. You can change it to up arrow, down arrow, right arrow, left arrow, and a lot more. I will select the right arrow. So when you press the right arrow, the Sprit is moving. In this way, you can perform the motion of a Sprit by using event, that it may be a when click, it may be when a particular key is pressed. You can also perform a motion for the Sprit by clicking on a Sprit. So here, next I'm just making a drag and drop when the Sprit clicked. So I will remove the when key press. I will make a drag and drop of when the Sprit click. See, it is moving. So this is how you can perform the normal motion for your Sprit. We will talk about it more in some upcoming chapter.